Welcome back, fellow coders. Jared O'Leary here with BootUp. In this video, I want to show you a neat idea. So I previously demonstrated the Don't Catch Mine project, which is a two-player game where you try and catch the falling objects that are the same color as your sprite. And I mentioned in there that there's a way to create distractions, like what's about to happen, where it actually changes the backdrop, and so it's a lot harder to see. Okay, so in a previous video, I showed you some distractions that another scratcher made, but I want to show you another really neat way that you can take this distraction idea of the same color background to create a different kind of game. So let's take a look at that. All right, so the project that we're going to look at is called Little Dot, and it is created originally by Zillow or Xylo. Not sure how to pronounce their name. Okay, so when you press the green flag, you have this circle that follows you, and your goal is to click on the dots that appear before it touches this center, because if it touches it, then you actually lose your health. Okay, so this I thought was a pretty neat idea for how you can actually make it so that you can use that distraction idea to create a different type of game. Let's see what happens when it ends. That basically uses a spotlight to highlight where you're supposed to click. Okay, so that's how long I survived on this. So if you look in the description below, there's a link directly to this particular project. And this link will take you to the remix version that I created that has some comments that I added in the code. But you can also, if you click on the C project page, you can check out the original project by the original creator. So make sure you give them a heart and a favorite because they created a really cool project. So if you create a really neat idea that uses something similar, make sure you share it below in the comments because we'd love to check out the projects that you have created and shared. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let us know something that you learned or created in the comments below. And make sure to subscribe, like, and check out the links in the description for even more free resources, such as videos, free lesson plans, and our podcast.